Hi guys, welcome to our new video, and I would like to thank you again for being with us now, and please don't forget to subscribe on our channel and also share our content. If we make some mistakes, please try to help us and also maybe link any video in the comment box below or any website where there is something for corrections. So now what we want to do, we want to see how to verify domain ownership via DNS record using Search Console. So what we're gonna do, I've got a couple of sites here. When I try to verify, it says no, verification method remain what, okay. It says we could not find your verification token in your domain text record. We found the DNS records instead of. Okay, this is what some mistakes are made here somewhere. So but that, don't worry about that. So but it's gonna say, it says okay, it tells you this. So what we're gonna do now, we copy this. After copying that, you go to your, it depends on your domain hoster you're using. So I'm using an AfriHost. Then what you do, you go to hosting settings, then you click DNS editor. Then after there, what you're gonna do here, create new record. When you're there, you have to select the right domain. Here what you do, you go and click text priority. We're gonna put this and this also. Yeah, I think I'm putting it in a two way because you know this domain hoster is different from yours, because yours might not have this section. So I'm pretty sure that most companies, they have different different sections. You can find that one, it has what they call, after this it's gonna have what they call text value. So that if it say text value, that's when you have to, that's where you're gonna put your this. So now at the TTL you have to put 14400. After that, then you say create. See what it's gonna tell us. Create. Hope that my internet is not slow. Trying to create the button, to click the button doesn't respond to me. Let's give it some time. But after doing that, you'll be done with that. But sometimes it takes 25 minutes, sometimes it takes 24 hours. But these are the steps you have to use. I'm under AfriHost. You might be under a different hosting company, so things might change. There's a hosting company which I saw whereby you're gonna see different stuff here. So if you see different stuff, don't worry, almost the steps are the same. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also you can also correct us if we made some mistakes. See you in the next video.